Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll talk about when to adjust or rebuild your meal plan, because even the best plan needs tweaks over time. Life changes, your goals evolve, and your body's needs shift. The key to long-term success isn't sticking rigidly to one plan, but learning when and how to adapt it. Let's start with the first sign. Your goals have changed. Maybe you started planning meals for weight loss, but now you want to focus on maintaining your progress, building muscle, or simply improving your energy. Each goal requires a different balance of calories, macros, and meal timing. Step 1. Revisit your why. Every few months, reassess your main goal. Ask yourself, what am I working toward right now? Your why should guide your adjustments. Step 2. Pay attention to how you feel. If you're consistently tired, hungry, bloated, or lacking focus, that's your body's way of saying something needs to change. Nutrition should make you feel good, not depleted. Step 3. Evaluate your consistency. If you find it hard to stick to your plan week after week, it might not be realistic for your schedule or preferences. Simplify your prep, swap complicated recipes for easier ones, or plan shorter cooking sessions. Step 4. Monitor progress beyond the scale. If your weight or body composition hasn't changed in several weeks, and you're following your plan, it might be time to adjust portion sizes or macros. Small tweaks often make a big difference. Step 5. Check your calorie balance. For weight loss, you may need to reduce calories slightly as your body adapts. For muscle gain, increase calories gradually to support growth without excess fat gain. Step 6. Reevaluate your protein intake. Protein needs can increase with age, activity level, or new fitness goals. Make sure you're getting enough to maintain or build lean muscle. Step 7. Look at your lifestyle changes. A new job, travel schedule, or family dynamic can change how you shop, cook, or eat. Rebuild your plan to fit your current routine, not the one you had months ago. Step 8. Notice if boredom has set in. Eating the same meals repeatedly can lead to burnout and cravings. Add new recipes, cuisines, or seasonal ingredients to keep things exciting and sustainable. Step 9. Assess your energy and performance. If your workouts feel harder or recovery is slower, your plan might need more carbohydrates, hydration, or micronutrients. Step 10. Check for digestive issues. If you're feeling bloated, gassy, or sluggish after meals, it might be time to evaluate food sensitivities or portion timing. Step 11. Track sleep and stress. Poor sleep or chronic stress can affect appetite, cravings, and metabolism. Adjust your plan to include more calming foods like magnesium-rich greens and keep caffeine in moderation. Step 12. Evaluate convenience. If your plan feels like too much work, simplify it. Use pre-chopped vegetables, frozen produce, or batch cooking to save time. The best plan is the one you'll actually follow. Step 13. Update your grocery list. As you evolve, so should your staples. Step 15. Schedule regular check-ins. Every 4 to 6 weeks, take 10 minutes to review how your plan is working, physically, mentally, and logistically. This small habit keeps you proactive instead of reactive. Here's your quick recap. Adjust your plan when your goals, energy, or lifestyle change. Simplify when needed, refresh your menu regularly, and stay flexible as your life evolves. A great meal plan isn't static, it grows with you. In the final lesson, we'll bring everything together and show you how to make meal planning a permanent part of your lifestyle for lasting success. Let's finish strong.